I was scrolling on TikTok the other day and came across something that surprised me. There was this creator making short animated videos using stand-up comedy audio, and his videos were getting millions of views. At first, I thought he was using some crazy setup. Then after some time, I saw there were many videos like this. I started digging deeper to understand how to make these types of videos. After a few days, I searched on the internet and finally learned the technique to make them. Trust me, it was much simpler than I expected. And guess what? It's 100% free. Let me show you. Let's start from the beginning. Open TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, anything you like, and search for stand-up comedy. You'll see a bunch of funny clips right away. Pick any, the one you find funny or engaging to the viewers, or maybe look for the views. Copy the link of that video. Go to Google and search for something TikTok to MP3 downloader. Click on any website and paste your link and download the MP3. Now here comes the fun part. Go to Google and search Adobe Express Animation. Click the first link you see. Log in or create a free account and hit Create Now. Let it load for a moment. Then choose any character you like and place them where you want. This will be your comedian. After that, pick the video size you need. Now we need a background. Most creators use a simple stand-up comedy stage. You can download one from Google or generate one using Nano Banana. Just type a prompt like cartoon stand-up comedy stage. You should get a clean stage image. Download it, then go to the background tab and upload it. Adjust the background and your character until everything looks right. Once you're happy with it, add the MP3 we downloaded earlier. Wait for it to process. And once it's done, you'll see your character talking with the audio.
Rate of divorce are lesbians. By a mile.
This worked so well, here you can download the video. Now we have the video ready. To make it more engaging, we're going to add subtitles. Let's do this in CapCut. It's free. Import the video, drag it to the timeline, and click on Captions. Then select Auto Captions. Wait for it to generate and choose the style you like. I'll go with this one. Adjust the captions to wherever you want them to appear. That's pretty much it. Finally, export the video in high quality. And that's how easy it is to make these sticky figure stand-up comedy videos. Hit like if you found this helpful and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.
By a mile. Lesbian marriages have the highest rate of divorce in the world. The second level of divorce is heterosexuals.